Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a food stamp in North Carolina. So all you have to do is head over to epass.nc.gov. So from here, just scroll down and you have an option to start applying for benefits, and you're going to need an existing account here, or you can also apply for FNS without an account. So just click on this, and to get started, choose one option, and we're just going to choose apply for food and nutrition services without an account. Then proceed by clicking on next. So before starting your application, here are the things you need to know. First are the requirements for submitting an application, and also information about social security numbers, US citizenship, and immigration status. And you can see here more information on food and nutrition services. Then to start, just click on the next button. And from the voter registration page, just select an option. Then proceed by clicking on next. And this is where you will start answering questions to proceed with your application, starting with expedited food and nutrition services. So you will be asked how much money will your household receive this month, and all you have to do is answer all the fields correctly and accurately. Then just proceed by clicking on the next button, and all you have to do is follow all the on-screen prompts. Make sure that you read every question carefully and answer them correctly until you get to the submission page. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Now we'll see you again on the next one. Bye!